Using olive oil regularly can have various potential health benefits due to its nutritional composition. Olive oil is primarily composed of monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, as well as antioxidants and other bioactive compounds. Here are some potential effects on the body when using olive oil daily. Heart health. Olive oil is known for its heart-healthy properties. The monounsaturated fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, such as polyphenols, which may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with various diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Digestive health. Olive oil can aid in digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes and improving bowel movements. It may also help in managing gastrointestinal disorders. Weight management. Olive oil, when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet, can be a healthier alternative to other oils and fats. Its monounsaturated fats can contribute to satiety and may assist in weight management. Brain health. Some studies suggest that the consumption of olive oil may have a positive effect on brain health and may help reduce the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Blood sugar control. Olive oil may help improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Skin health. The antioxidants and healthy fats in olive oil can nourish the skin and help maintain its elasticity. Applying olive oil topically may also provide moisturizing and soothing effects. Cancer prevention. Some research suggests that the antioxidants in olive oil may have a protective effect against certain types of cancers, including breast, colon, and prostate cancers. Gut health. Olive oil has been found to have potential prebiotic effects, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, immune function, and overall well-being. Anti-aging benefits. The antioxidants in olive oil, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, may help protect cells from oxidative stress, potentially slowing down the aging process and promoting youthful skin. Improved nutrient absorption. Consuming olive oil with other nutrient-rich foods can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are essential for various bodily functions. Mood and mental well-being. Some research suggests that the monounsaturated fats in olive oil may have a positive impact on mood and mental health, potentially reducing the risk of depression and anxiety. Liver health. Olive oil may support liver health by reducing the accumulation of fat in the liver and promoting its proper function. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with fatty liver disease. Culinary benefits. Olive oil enhances the flavor of dishes and can be used for cooking, sautéing, baking, salad dressings, and more. Its versatility makes it a staple in Mediterranean cuisine.